I feel like pulling out the measuring tape to show you guys how big this motherfucker is. It's not a small shoebox. It's a big shoebox carrying some big shoes. What's up, yo? Sahil. I'm back with another unboxing. I think, to be honest, I know I copped some cases. I know I copped a couple. I got really excited because I bought a pair of Jordan Cement 4s. You know them 2016 releases? Which have been super popular, kind of the most popular Jordan 4 around right now. And you know the regular sizes, they ain't cheap. And in my size, they're unavailable. I thought I bought the last pair in the 18. Question mark. I thought I bought the last pair in the 18, but I got an email from StockX, who has my back, telling me that, yo, those kicks you bought, they went authentic. Or they failed the authentication process. Something like that. All right. This is a shoebox. Air Jordan 3 Retro. Yo, these are the Black Cats, man. So these are a 2007 release kick. Jumpman logo on the front, and the Jordan stuff on the side. This is a box that, I gotta be honest, I'm not really that familiar with. And I'm always a little anxious when I'm doing the unboxings, but this one, like, I don't know, let's see what I'm going. Where did they come? They came through Flight Club. These came through Flight Club, which is one of the sites I frequent when I'm checking for big shoes, yeah? And they're never that cheap. But I copped these for some low, real talk, for some 2007 release that are fresh, supposedly fresh out the box. And then this box looks like it's gotten a little beaten. Let's take a look, man. Let's take a look. Nah, it looks a bit legit to me, though. Is there anything I need to look out for? Definitely that. So there's this, which I was like, let me look out for that. Oh, fuck. If these are actually fake, I'll be pissed, Joe. All right, I'm cool. These have passed my authentication process. They're spot on real J's, and I'm cool with it. Yo, this is my first pair of Black Cat 3s. You can see the shiny bit on the mid, on the outside, and on the inside. The low key Ellie print in the black on the sides. Yo, these came quick, man. Flight Club is impressing me with the shipping. They came way quicker than StockX kicks come. So lots of Jumpman on these. Jumpman logo on the tongue. Jumpman logo on the back. In Nike Air. And Jumpman logo on the heel as well. Jordan 3 sole. So the reason I was a bit slow to pull these out of the box and get too excited is as much as they are box fresh and they haven't been worn, these are clearly an 11-year-old sneaker, which I'm kind of down with that. So if you look close, there's little imperfections in the side, on the gloss. Little things, man. Little things that don't matter much in the long run. On the overall, it's a good, solid shoe, man. The upper is this soft, suede-y, kind of really tumbled leather feel. It feels super padded. I wear a lot of ones, and I can already tell this is going to be a different experience. Retro 3 Black Cats, you know. 07, fam. Still. This is Flight Club. I'm down with the low-key packaging. StockX, man. Those guys just throw so much in. I mean, I respect the job they do. I'm a little pissed that I didn't get the kicks I was looking for, but real talk. Flight Club is on point, man. As long as you manage to get them cheap. I'm glad this came in it. I wasn't 100% sure if this would or not, but this is sick to me. Definitely a collector's thing, yo. I hope all the pairs of threes that I get come with the Air Jordan postcard. MJ doing his fly thing, and is he wearing? What's he wearing in those? It's hard to tell. My bad. So yeah, G. Air Jordan 1 Black Cat. We got the size 18. I already know these are gonna be comfortable. JR, I think I bought these for your wedding, fam. Ain't gonna see me in no like dress shoes. That's it. Peace, yo. Thanks for joining me for the unboxing journey. So these have been in like fresh since 07 is crazy, so I'm not gonna be too quick to put them on my feet, but I am going to deem one of my favorite cousins in Philly, his wedding, as an appropriate time to pull these out. So yeah, much love for you. Hopefully I'll be doing another unboxing soon.